What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Investing for Beginners community. I'm your host, Johnny. And in today's video, we are going to be going over Meta platforms, or formerly known as Facebook. Now, this company is up 176% in 1 year. Okay, guys? When I called this video out last year, when you could buy it for like $90, look at this. You could have bought this company for 90 bucks. And I called it out last year, a couple years ago actually, that we were going to be loading up on it, and we did. Okay, now this is public account, just came out in January, so I won't be showcasing any of my private accounts, but we loaded up on some Meta at $100, $110, $120. We got some shares, my guys, and I wish we would have had this public account back in 2022 and the beginning of 2023. Unfortunately, we barely got it year to date. But even this year to date, in less than 25 days, we are on the 24th of January, this company is up 13%. Pretty amazing, right? 13%. Too bad I didn't buy on the 2nd. I bought on, when did I buy this company? On January 20th, $25. And then I got $5 a little bit before that. So on the 20th, up here is where I bought it at. Right here. Boom. 383. Okay. It's already up to 391, so I'm up 3% almost on a small account. We're going to keep putting money into this, just feeding $5 into it. $5 into it. That's all it takes, guys. If you want to do more, but you necessarily don't have to, right? But this whole time we should have been riding this. Now be careful, because it definitely is a little bit oversold. Now I can't tell you to buy, hold, or sell a company. Only you know that, but I'm just showing you what I'm doing with this position. What we're doing is riding it up. And if it goes down, we're just going to buy some more, right? But we're going to keep getting money while it's going up. I'm not going to wait a year or two for it to come down and then miss out on all this money. If it goes up and I'm like, all right, it's going to start going down, I'm going to lock it in, sell it, wait for it to come down. Or I'm going to buy more when it's down here and then load up and wait for it to come back up. Now, if you guys don't know what Meta is, you guys are probably use it or have used it or have a family member that uses it at one point in time. It is Facebook. I don't know why he renamed it to Meta, but it's Facebook. That's what it is. Okay. But Meta is just a social media basically company, ton of advertising, a lot of money goes into this company. You guys all know Mark Zuckerberg, 86,000 employees, and they're headquartered in California. Now, they founded in 2004, so this is a baby company, but it's a tech company. It's big, at least it's in that industry. And they have a $1 trillion market cap. So that's another reason why I'm doing this video. 5 hours ago, CNBC just stated that Meta passes $1 trillion in market cap. That's amazing. Now, there are only a few other people that are in the 1 trillion market cap club, and that's Apple, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, and Nvidia. Welcome all to the 1 trillion market cap club. That's amazing, right? That's amazing. Now, with that said, their PE ratio is at 34. Now, that is fantastic. If that's realistic and that's a true PE ratio, that is great, okay? We don't want anything negative. We don't ever want a negative PE ratio. I will stay away from it. I don't want it. Stay away, okay? Their 52-week low was $140 this year, and their 52-week high is almost at 400 bucks. So here's another great play. You could have bought really low at 140 and doubled and almost tripled your money by selling high. And it take a little while to wait. There is no dividend here, so no added benefit of actual cash flow. But then again, it is Meta. Now, analyst ratings are still saying, even though this is a bit oversold, that it's an 81% buy out of 63 ratings. That's high. I've never seen a company with that many ratings before. Never. I mean, yeah, it might be like 16 to 18 to 20, but never 63. Okay, that's just nuts. 15% are saying to hold and 6% or 3% are saying to sell. Now, cool thing about this is Robinhood is going to let us look at what the bulls are saying and what the bears are saying. And basically the bulls are saying that the application of AI technology to Meta varies offering along with the launch of the VR products will only increase their user engagement, driving further growth in advertising revenue. All right, more people engaging on the platform, more people using the platform, thus they're going to get paid more money from companies to advertise and get the views from all the new engagement from the users. Now, Meta's ad revenue per user is growing also, and it's demonstrating that the value that the advertisers see in working with the firm also. So that's just going up, okay? Now, the bears are basically saying that regulations could emerge that limit the application of collection users and usage data, or restrict even acquisitions affecting data utilization and growth. Basically, they're going to be limiting, they said, some of the collecting and some of the data that they use to actually stunt or improve their growth. Now, I don't think that's possible. Mark Zuckerberg's pretty smart. I'm sure he and his team know a lot about how to increase engagement and growth. I mean, gosh, he owns the entire company and he still works there and just, he's very involved, right? Okay, despite rapid user growth, many of Meta's customers may also belong to other social networks such as Snapchat or TikTok or really anything else, right? So the firm will continually have to fight to capture users' time and engagement. If they can, now, in my opinion, if they could somehow figure out a way to get those Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram people back onto the Facebook platform, they can get so much of an audience. Like, they just need to somehow get something that's going to engage with the newer, younger generation of people, basically. So they're basically saying, though, that Meta is currently a one-trick pony and it will be affected severely if online advertising no longer grows or if more advertising dollars shift to others like Google or Snapchat. Now, with that said, you got to take both sides into consideration, right? You got to kind of figure it out on your own. But in my opinion, I see this company doing nothing but going up. If you consider the way inflation is and the way the feds are hiking rates and just the way everything is in the world right now, only a lot of these companies are just going to be going up with the price and cost of everything rising as well. They are now currently looking at almost $5 in earnings per share, which is just insane. This company is just growing fantastically. As long as the advertisers keep paying, and they need to figure out another thing. You know, they do have the VR, so I think that's going to help significantly with money and revenues to support. But I mean, right now they're supporting 86,000 employees. You know, I think they're doing pretty good for themselves. They have $1 trillion market cap, and it's only rising. So, yeah, I'm super excited to get back into these stock analysis videos. I took a couple of weeks to do a ebook series. If you want to know more about that, click the link below in the description and you can join the free weekly newsletter, and you'll also get a free ebook, free budget template that you could use for step 3 in that ebook, and an invitation to a private group of over 70,000 members, all like-minded individuals just like yourself who just want to talk about stocks and investing and share their experience, their journey, and their successes with people just like you. I know it can be hard sometimes to maybe talk to household members, family, friends about this kind of stuff. Good thing I created a group just for you to go talk to people just like you. So definitely sign up and get that invitation to the private group. At the very least, do that. And that's how you're going to connect with us even more if, say, YouTube were to die. At least you could have another group or platform to hang out on and talk to people. So go check it out, guys. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.